Okay, so this is a very easy question, I would hope, even by 8th grade. All you really need to know is how to read a graph. And I think even if you didn't, you'd probably be able to figure this one out by the answer choices. They're asking for the solution to the system. When we talk about a solution for a system of equations or anything that kind of multiple equations that interact, I guess, in the XY plane, we're talking about intersections. And so I would hope, again, you kind of just figure that out just by, well, what else could it be? But where do these two lines cross? Right here. And then remember, how do we find the coordinates of a point? We start on the x-axis and then we go to the y, right? So 3, 4 is the point. So choice B, that's it. That's the whole question. And I got to drag this thing out, so I'm going to talk for a couple more seconds about a very important thing. If you just want at least an average score on a PSAT or an SAT, the single most important thing you can do is learn how to read the XY plane. Learn how to read a graph. Don't confuse your X's and Y's. Understand what it means when they talk about x-intercepts, y-intercepts, solutions, intersections, equations, systems of equations. Understand how to pull points off, know the quadrants, know what the origin is. All those things are pretty basic for the kinds of math you're going to start to do in middle school and high school. And a lot of PSAT and eventually even SAT questions will involve that, more so on the easy module. But even if you're in the easy module and you just know that without knowing a whole lot of good algebra, you can still do pretty well. So make sure you know how to read these graphs.